and welcome back to my channel Fly High with Priya. In this video I'll be explaining the summary of the novel Vicar of the Wakefield, which is written by Oliver Smith. Now this is a requested video. One of my subscribers asked me to make a video regarding this novel, so here is the summary. Before continuing with the summary, I would like to tell you that the word vicar here means a priest of a parish or a church. Now in this novel, the parish is Charles Primrose. He's married to Deborah and they are having 6 children. Out of 4, they are boys and 2 are girls. Now the main children who are discussed in this novel are George, the eldest son, Olivia and Sophia. Now when the novel opens, it is described that Charles or the vicar is a very good person. He is a very noble person who has helped everyone in needy times. His eldest son, George, is soon to be getting married to a girl, Arabella Wilmot. Now this person has invested some money in a merchandise, but the merchant runs away with the money. Because of that, he becomes bankrupt, and due to that bankruptcy, the alliance between George and Arabella breaks. Now as they are bankrupt, that's why they have to leave the house and they decide to move to an estate of Square Thornhill. Before leaving, he says that, now George, you are a grown-up person, you have studied from Oxford, so to support the family you should move and go somewhere and find a job and help the family. Now when the whole family was moving, they take rest in an inn and there they meet Mr. Burchell. Now Burchell is very much attracted towards the girl Sophia and he saves her. During the course of the journey, he saves her once or twice. Now this person, Vicar and Burchell, become friends and they come to know that they are heading towards the same place. So when they reach the estate, they finally are allotted the hut and they settle down. In that particular hut, they have heard that the landlord, Square Thornhill, is a very bad person. He is a womanizer and he harasses every person, whoever he comes across. Now this family is very much curious. They have heard so much about that person that they are curious to meet this person. As days pass, they start doing their works, whatever works they are allotted, and finally one day they are able to meet the landlord. But they find him quite charming and attractive. His personality was very charming and the way he talks was a very refined and furnished way. Now he is attracted to the girl Olivia, and in the same way Olivia is also attracted towards Square Thornhill. Now the family waits that this person will propose to Olivia, but this doesn't happen. So this vicar decides to make an alliance, you can say, or to get her daughter married to some other person. Now engagement was done and on the day of marriage, Olivia runs or escapes from the house. Now people say that it is a possibility that she might have gone to Thornhill's place. So he goes there and there Thornhill says that he hasn't seen Olivia, means she's not there at my place. Now his father, as a father, he was worried about her daughter, so he goes in search of that daughter. Now as he was there, he was searching for his daughter, he takes shelter in an inn. Now as he takes shelter in an inn, he finds a person, Mr. Andrew, and they both become friends. After some time, Mr. Andrews take him to his house, and there he meets whom? He meets that Arabella girl, same girl. He was the uncle of this girl, and they reconcile and they talk with each other. Now what happens, after talking or conversing, he finds that this Arabella is still attracted towards his son George. After some time, in his search, he also finds the boy George. Now George has started doing job in a drama company, and he finds him doing dramas at different places. Now this Arabella and George also meet and they are still attracted towards each other. In the meantime, as he was not able to find his daughter, so he decides to go back. And as he was traveling in a journey back, he finds. Now he takes shelter in an inn, and there he finds his daughter Olivia. Now she was in a very bad state. She explains that she didn't escape from the house, but this Square Thornhill, he's a very bad person. He's the one who has kidnapped her and tied her in an illegal manner, in a illegal marriage, and he seduced her and finally sent her to become a prostitute. But she ran away from the clutches of those persons, and she has taken shelter in that particular inn, and the innkeeper is helping her at every step. Now this man Vicar was very angry with that landlord, and they decide that they'll go back to that estate. Now when they came back, he found another problem. Now he saw that his house was on fire. The house was on fire, so he just quickly runs inside it. He saves his sons and daughter and his wife, but he was not able to save his properties, or you can say belongings. They all get burnt. Now because of this, he was not able to pay the debt, and that's why, or you can say the rent, that's why he was arrested by the police and taken into the jail. Now as he was imprisoned in the jail, he was a very good person with all other different people. Means he used to do all the work, he used to preach, so everyone was attracted with his good behavior. Now there he meets a person, Jenkinson. Now this person Jenkinson has once, you can say, grabbed some money and has ran away by taking the money. He meets him there. Now he pities on this Vicar and asks that what has happened to you? You are such a good person, how you have come here? So this Vicar tells the story from starting till the whatever has happened till now. He explains everything. Now Jenkinson says that feels very sorry and says that if he gets opportunity, he will help this man Vicar. Now what happens? He gets the news in the jail that Olivia is ill, and because of her deteriorating health, she has finally died. And he also finds that Sophia was abducted by someone, and Mr. Burchell has saved her from that kidnapping. Now in the meantime, what happens, as Olivia was attracted towards Square, at the same time as I've told that Burchell was attracted towards Sophia, but Vicar was against this marriage, this alliance of Sophia and Burchell, because Burchell was a very poor person and he does not want that his daughter should accompany such person. Because if Olivia gets married to Square, then their financial conditions will improve, but this can't be possible with Sophia and Burchell's alliance. Then he finally feels very sorry that whatever he felt for Burchell was very wrong. In actual, he is a very good person who has saved his daughter. Now in the course of the what happens, he gets to know that Square is engaged to Arabella, and they are soon going to be married. But as Sophia was kidnapped and Burchell saves her, Jenkinson was arrested in the charge of kidnapping this girl, Sophia, and he says that, he tells the police that this was all the plot of Square. He wanted to seduce this girl, Sophia, wanted to illegally marry her, then seduce her, and finally leave her to become a prostitute, as he has done with Olivia. So Jenkinson tells this everything to police, and therefore Square is arrested in this charge of seducing, of kidnapping, and whatever. In this charge he was arrested, but Square was not at all you can say sorry for his deeds. He was not sorry. He was this Arabella comes and breaks the alliance or breaks the engagement, but still he was not worried. He was happy that though the marriage has been broken, but he will get the dowry, because he has signed the papers, because she has signed the papers and he had made her sign those papers. So he was not least sorry for his actions. But in the meantime, what happens, that the marriage between Olivia and Sophia, which was considered as a fake marriage or an illegal marriage, was not actually illegal, it was legal. Now because of this revelation, you can say the whole plan of Square जो है gets disrupted, and he will not get the dowry of the engagement. Now this revelation changes him. He feels sorry for whatever he has done. Now Vicar is released from jail. Arabella and George finally, you can say, engage with each other. They find each other suitable, है ना? And this Burchell, he was not a poor person in reality. His reality comes out, and he turns out to be the uncle of Square, who was living there in a disguised form to keep an eye on his, you can say, nephew, है ना? So this was he turns out to be a rich person. So Sophia and Burchell get married. George and this Arabella gets married, and Sophia, as Square and Olivia were married, है ना? So these three alliances takes place in the end of the novel. And what happens? The person who has ran away from with the money, he is also arrested by the police, and he जो है gives the money back to this person Vicar, and finally they are able to get their money home and alliances of three sons and daughters. So he turns out to be lucky person. Everything went well in the end, and at this very happy ending the novel ends. I hope the summary of this novel is very much clear to you. Before going, do subscribe, like and share my videos. Till then, bye bye.